There is a type of plastic used to make foam boxes that we encounter daily in our lives. It is marked as number 6 in the Resin Identification Code system, meaning this plastic is difficult to decompose, hard to recycle, and emits extremely toxic gases when burned. There are no official statistics on the amount of this waste. However, given its dense presence in our daily lives, we can confirm that the amount of this plastic waste released into the environment is enormous. And yet, most of us often throw it away without a second thought, assuming it cannot be recycled. If you're living in a poor or developing country, that might be true, because it's very hard to find facilities that buy or recycle it. But what if you're living in countries like Japan, the United States, or in Europe? Don't be so quick to discard it, because it can become a valuable material used to produce building materials, to construct highly efficient houses, and especially it doesn't need to be burned. So how does this special recycling process, which does not involve burning, actually work? Let's explore the process of producing EPS lightweight concrete bricks in today's video. Every recycling journey starts with collection. Foam boxes are collected from various waste sources. We can find them at stores, supermarkets, or simply from households. Usually, when collecting used foam boxes, buyers choose ones that aren't too dirty. This also encourages users to rinse them briefly before handing them over, since it doesn't take much time or effort. These foam boxes are then transported to the factory, where they are sorted to ensure all unrelated waste is removed. The interesting thing about recycling EPS foam into lightweight concrete bricks is that as long as the foam isn't too dirty, there's no need to wash it thoroughly like with other plastics. And the final product's quality isn't much affected. This flexibility makes the EPS foam recycling process faster and more efficient. After sorting, the EPS foam is fed into a foam shredder. This is one of the most important steps, as it transforms the foam from raw form into small pieces that are easier to handle. The shredder works by using sharp blades or strong rotating shafts to break large foam sheets into small fragments. This process not only reduces the foam's volume, but also makes it easier to mix with other components during brick production. These foam pieces will serve as the perfect condition to mix with cement and sand to form lightweight concrete. Once the EPS foam has been shredded, the next step is to put it into an industrial mixer. This mixer has powerful paddles that evenly blend the components: foam pieces, cement, sand, and other additives. These additives may include binders, water reducers, or flame retardants, depending on the specific requirements of the construction. The purpose of this step is to create a uniform mixture with precise proportions of EPS foam, cement, and sand to ensure the strength and durability of the bricks after production. Thanks to the lightweight nature of EPS foam, this mixture will be very light but still offers excellent sound and thermal insulation, far superior to conventional bricks. This is why EPS foam bricks are increasingly favored in construction projects. After the mixture is evenly blended, it is transferred to an automatic molding machine. This machine contains pre-designed molds that shape the bricks. These molds are made of durable metal that can withstand the temperature and pressure of the lightweight concrete mix. The molding process not only ensures the bricks have a standard shape, but also guarantees uniform size for each brick, making construction easier and faster. At this stage, the lightweight nature of EPS bricks becomes evident. When the mixture is poured into molds, high pressure is not required, because EPS foam creates an air bubble structure that makes the bricks significantly lighter than conventional ones. This air bubble structure is key to providing excellent thermal and acoustic insulation for the final product. After molding, the bricks are transferred to a drying chamber. a closed space with carefully controlled temperature and humidity. This process is essential to help the bricks solidify while maintaining their ultra-lightweight properties. Depending on the scale and technology, the drying time may range from several hours to a full day. Inside the drying chamber, the bricks are exposed to suitable temperatures that help the cement and additives bind tightly, forming a solid structure without burning the foam particles in the mix. However, this temperature does not reduce the brick's lightness. Thanks to the air within the EPS foam, the bricks retain their ultralight weight, making them easy to transport and install on construction sites. After drying, the bricks are hardened and go through a final quality check. This inspection process is strict to ensure construction material quality. The bricks are tested with fire and checked for hardness and strength. Once it is certain that the batch of concrete bricks meets the standards, they are packaged and ready to be delivered to construction sites. If you're not a construction engineer or builder, you might wonder whether these bricks compromise the sturdiness of a building. But let us reassure you, the strength of a house depends on many factors, such as the ground foundation, the house footing, key construction materials like concrete and steel, the skeleton of the house. Bricks play a supporting role in transmitting force, but are not the deciding factor. Their main function is to enclose, divide space, and provide sound and thermal insulation, contributing to the protection of the structure. So, from seemingly useless foam boxes, through a simple and efficient process, we have created ultra-lightweight bricks. Produced from recycled EPS foam, these bricks not only offer excellent sound and thermal insulation, but also stand as a testament to creativity in recycling and environmental protection. EPS lightweight concrete bricks are a smart choice for building sustainable and cost-effective homes. This shows that humanity is becoming more responsible for what we produce. We are maximizing the use of the Earth's gifted resources and avoiding waste. And as we've said many times, the most sustainable solution is to use eco-friendly alternatives, not to mass-produce harmful materials and figure out how to recycle them later. Every small action carries great meaning. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.